Hello, and welcome to Storyboard That. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to make a subtraction worksheet using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now first, we are going to pick out a template that we like. Now we have a lot of great options to choose from, but I think I'm going to go with this one here. So all we do is click the Copy Template button that's right below, and this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt us to give our template a name. So you can call yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine Template 1. And click Continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize our template. This is where we get to add characters, items, update the text, make any changes that we want to. So first, I would like to add a character. Now we have these two great characters down here, but I think they need a friend to help them with their subtraction. So let's go up to our characters menu. I'm going to search under the kids category, and let's find a character we like. Alright, I like this character here. So to add a character, just simply drag and drop them into the storyboard. Alright, and now we get to customize. This is where we get to update facial expressions, change the pose, change colors, whatever it is that we want to do. Now when your character is all set, just click Update Pose, and there's our character. Now you can move characters anywhere you would like within your storyboard. You can also resize them. Just grab the corner of the image and stretch. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. Let's reposition him. Alright, now we're all set. Now next is items. Now you can browse the items menu up top here and go through all of these great categories. But if there's something specific that you want, all you have to do is search for it in the upper right hand search menu. Now we have these nice little starbursts here, so let's see if we have any other ones. I'm just going to search star. Alright, we got a few options. I like this one here. So just like our characters, we're going to drag and drop it into our storyboard. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And if you want to change the color, you can go to your right hand menu and select any one of these pre-selected colors. So I like that orange. And I want to send this all the way to the back so it's not blocking this box here. So to do that, go to your right hand menu and click Send All the Way to the Back. Alright, now next is the background image. Now this is a pretty straightforward template that doesn't have any pre-existing background images or scenes, so let's add our own. If we go up to our scenes menu, I'm going to add just a solid color. I don't want anything too distracting, so I'm going to go over to patterns, and let's grab this nice blue here. So just like our characters and items, drag and drop, and if you go to your right hand menu, you can click this button here, stretch to fill. Now this will fill the entire frame so we don't have to stretch it manually, which just makes it a little bit easier for us. So I'm going to click this option and then hit OK. Alright, now we have our scene in place. So let's send this all the way to the back of our template. Alright, I think that looks pretty good, but this blue is a little dark. So we have these nice colors here, but I want this blue just a little bit lighter. So if we go to this little box on the right, select it, we can customize the color to whatever we would like. I think a little bit lighter would be good. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. When you're all set, just click Choose, and there we go. Now, last but not least is text. Now, you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is select and put in your own words. So let's put together a quick, simple math problem here. So I'm going to do 12, and I like this font, but I would like it to be much larger. So to change the text, just highlight what you want to change, go to your text editor, and let's make this much, much larger. We're at 24 points, so let's go to 76. All right, I think that looks pretty good. So let's do the next question here. We'll go with 3. And let's change that to 76. And there we go. Now, if you notice in our last text box here, we don't actually have any text to edit. So what we can do is we can go up to our speech bubbles menu, and you can grab any one of these nice text boxes. But I'd like to keep this to be exactly the same, so I'm going to duplicate this one. So to duplicate an item or an image or a character, just select what you want to make a copy of, go to your right hand menu, and click this button here to copy. And it makes an exact duplicate, which is very handy. So let's slide this 3 over and solve our problem. Now it's been a long time since I've done math in school, so 12 minus 3, if I remember correctly, should be 9. All right, there we go. Now, when you're all done making the changes to your template, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And that is how you make a subtraction worksheet using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.